Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I welcome you to the course of International Relations conducted by ComState Institute of Information Technology, Islamabad. I am briefing you about the course of IR and about the different requirements of IR. The first question is that why we study IR? Always the student asks this question that what is the need of studying IR? What's the purpose of studying IR? And the answer is very simple. Today, we as a state, as a country, cannot live in isolation. The states today are closely tied to one another. Studying about them is a necessity. You can see that even as individuals, we cannot live in isolation. We are always dependent on others for different type of needs. And as a result, we have to live a social life. And the same is the situation with the states. The states have to cooperate with each other. They have to live with each other. And as a result, the states cannot live in isolation. So if the states cannot live in isolation, so what is the alternative? The alternative is that we have to study. We have to know about other countries. We have to know about the states. We have to know about their history, their policies. And as a result, it is imperative that we should study IR to know more about our neighbors, to know more about the countries. And this study will help us in understanding the present world, how it got there, what is the transitional phases from which it reaches to the present stage. So that's one of the purpose why we study IR. The second purpose is that it provides insight about many issues revolving around our lives, such as national borders, peace and conflicts, and there are many. So basically IR, the study of IR, will give us that information. It will broaden our base. It will give us the knowledge by which we can know about many kind of problems, many kind of issues, many kind of affairs which are happening in the today's world. These affairs may be pertaining to national borders. They may relate to peace. They may relate to conflicts, wars, tension. They may relate to human rights. They may relate to business activities. And it relates to human life as well. So the study of IR help us in understanding about these important domains of human life. Third, the study of IR will help us learning from the past. We always learn from the past. If you don't learn from the past, remember, your life is meaningless. We live in present. We learn from the past. And we shape our future by doing effort in the present. The effort is for the change, and the future has to be achieved. The study of IR help us in understanding the history, the historical evolution, the growth of different problems, the growth of different phenomena in a state. And as a result, we can make ourselves in our future very prosperous. A future which is full of peace, which is full of mutual cooperation, which is full of respect, which is full of prosperity, and that can be achieved through the study of IR. Remember, IR is a very important subject. We as a state needs the study of IR. We have to understand the states. We have to understand the international community. We have to understand the world peace. And as a result, study of IR is very imperative. International relation as a study is also related to many other subjects, many other disciplines. So can you know that by studying IR, you also have insight about other subjects as well. You also know about them. The subjects such as politics, I would say political science, which is a broader field. Then we have economics. You can also know about history. You can also know about law, international law. You know about psychology. You know about sociology. There are so many aspects of other discipline as well. The study of IR also help us in understanding and having an insight about this information and this subject as well. तो मतलब ये हुआ कि IR की स्टडी निहायत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. हम अलहदगी में नहीं रह सकते. हमने दूसरों के बारे में जानना है, हमने दूसरे स्टेट्स के बारे में जानना है, हमने अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को समझना है, हमने दूसरों के प्रॉब्लम्स को समझना है, हमने इन प्रॉब्लम से कुछ सीखना है, और ये सारी की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें IR के मुताले से हासिल हो जाती हैं. तो IR काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट, काफ़ी अहम सब्जेक्ट है आजकल के ज़माने में.